Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got a painting project coming up, then you definitely want to get a hold of some of this Scotch blue tape. This is the painter's tape. It is number 2093. So this is a multi-surface tape and it gives you really clean lines when you are painting, and I absolutely love it. I have used this tape many times and had great results, even in tricky places like painting around cabinets or around windowsills and things where you really need to have nice clean lines. This is awesome. It's also great for just masking areas that you would need to keep paint off of. For example, protecting this floor while I am painting these little trim pieces works really well, and I can be confident that it's going to protect my flooring. This tape is also great just for putting marks on a wall temporarily, like if you want to hang pictures, you can mark out where you want to hang something and then remove the tape, and it's not going to damage your walls, it's not going to peel the paint off. So it's such a great product because you can mark things out really easily with it. So we use it all the time for all different things, not just painting. It's very handy, and it's great that it has a nice durable adhesive, but you're able to peel it off without damage. So I would recommend this tape to anybody who has projects around the house because trust me, it just comes in handy all the time. And that is my point of view.